Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to add featured products to your Shopify store. Highlighting specific products helps showcase your best sellers, promotions, and new arrivals, making it easier for customers to discover them. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Products. You can find products in the upper left part of your dashboard. Once you're here, click the Selections, then go to Collections. As you can see, there are no collections yet. Just click Add Collections. Here, we can add items by selecting products from your store. To do that, click Products. To add these products to your collection, select them all, then click the three dots. Here, we can see our collections. We can add them to a collection, then click Save. Search for the collection you want, such as the Home collection. Once you're done, click Save. Now, go to your themes under Online Store. Once you're in the online store, click Edit. From here, click Home Page, then click Done and go to Collections. Then click Default Collection. As you can see, there are 3 items in the Featured Products section. We can edit this section and add photos to make it more appealing, based on your preferences. Once you're happy with it, click Save. And that's how we add featured products to your Shopify store. Featuring products helps boost visibility, drive more sales, and improve the overall shopping experience for your customers.